In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select similar layers in Affinity. Selecting similar layers is one of the fastest ways to keep your projects tidy and make bulk changes with confidence. Whether you're working in an Affinity app on a UI layout, a poster, or a multi-artboard document, this technique helps you gather matching elements in seconds instead of clicking them one by one. Start by clicking the layer you want to use as your example. Think of this as telling Affinity, match things like this. You can click it directly on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Make sure you see it highlighted so you know it's truly selected. Choosing a good reference layer matters. If you want to round up similar headings, click a heading. If you want to collect icons, click one of the icons. If you're organizing your boards, click an artboard. Next, move your cursor to the Select controls. Depending on your workspace, you'll find Select in the main menu or in the context toolbar. Hover there to expose the options related to selecting similar content. You don't need to click yet. Hovering is enough to reveal the tools you're about to use. This is helpful because you can double check you're in the right place before anything changes on your canvas. Now, hover over your layers, and the available selection hints to preview what will be included. As you move your pointer, you'll notice other candidates subtly highlight. That preview is your safety net. It shows the scope of what Affinity is ready to grab based on the layer you clicked first. If you see way too many items light up, that's your cue to refine your starting layer or adjust your view so you're focusing on the right region. From here, you can select by the kind of object you're working with: text, shapes, or artboards. If your reference was a text layer, choose the text option to gather similar text items so you can align, recolor, or style them together. If you started with a vector shape, use the Shapes option to collect matching icons, buttons, or decorative elements in one go. And if your reference is an artboard, selecting artboards lets you manage multiple boards at once for quick arrangement, exporting, or global tweaks. A few quick tips as you work. If the preview looks off, back out and try a more specific reference layer. Hiding or locking layers you don't want included can also reduce clutter. Once your similar layers are selected, you're free to transform, recolor, or organize them together, saving a ton of time while keeping your document consistent.